Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's April 11th, Wednesday morning, and outside markets seem to have an impact on grain prices here overnight. We are seeing some support come out of those markets as the dollar is down about 30 to 40 points right now. Crude oil up about 40, and stock indexes are showing a rebound here today. Up 88 is what the Dow index is suggesting here this morning. So we are seeing a little bit of a rebound there. We've also got weather that we're talking about this morning. This cold temperatures that we've seen overnight through the Midwest reached a little further south than what the weather forecast was expecting. There's World Weather Inc. is telling us this morning that Monticello, Kentucky had as low as 28 degrees last night. So the biggest impact is going to be on wheat and wheat production. World Weather Inc., Drew Lerner, does not think that there's a whole lot of damage made in the wheat here throughout the Midwest, but there will be some damage in areas where temperatures fell below this 30-degree level for over a 2-hour period. I guess Bloomington, Illinois had below 30 degrees for over 2 hours here this morning. Not a lot of wheat grown in that area, but could have an impact on some of the corn that might be sticking its head out of the ground, but don't see a lot of damage from this cold. The weather forecast also for later on in the week is we've got some moisture coming in, some good amount of rain that should cover most of the Midwest here for anywhere from a 3 to 5 day period. Some well-needed rain, and should be very beneficial to this newly planted corn that we've seen put in the ground here over the last several weeks. So the USDA gave us some numbers yesterday that were a surprise to some, and it was in the soybean complex pretty much as expected. However, we did see some profit taking yesterday. Would not be surprised to see some further profit taking here, as the funds have created a huge long position in the soybeans, and with the outside influences, outside market and money flow attitude that we're concerned about here this morning, there may be some more profit taking. We'll have to watch for that. Key numbers there are the 20-day moving average. If we fall below that, we could see even further selling pressure, but expect to see some good support in the soybeans on any type of correction here today. In the livestock futures, they're mixed here this morning. Nearby cattle are lower. Hogs are lower as well. Cutout values yesterday in box beef. Choice was down about 53 cents. Select was up 47. We had pork cutout values down also about 52 cents yesterday. Cash markets in the hogs where the real weakness came. They were down over $2 yesterday. Expect steady to lower prices there today in the cash hog market, and that's what's given us the part of the pressure that we're seeing here in livestock futures. There has some bids developed in the cash cattle trade down at the 118, 119. Offers are 123 to 124. So expect that they're going to need to come together here sometime this week. Probably in that 120 area would be our guess at this point in time. The futures closing lower, not giving us a signal that the bottom is in yet. Cattle actually made new lows yesterday and continued some follow through here overnight. So expect more weakness and any kind of rallies to be met with some resistance here in the short term. So if you got any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call here at Allendale. You can reach us at 800-262-7538, or just call our branch offices if they're in your area. You can check out the website where they're all located, or give us a call and we'll direct you to them. So we wish everybody a very successful trading day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow morning. Thank you.